Alright, so I decided to do another cold start video on the 2000 CBR600 F4. I believe my carburetors are partially clogged, and I put this in it, like a decent amount of it in there, about 2 days ago, and I have run it a bit, so it's not warm, nothing's different, nothing's changed. It's still cold out, it's still about the same temperature, like, I don't know what, 40 degrees or so in South Carolina right now. So let's see if this stuff helped at all. I ran probably a quarter of a tank through the engine just driving, and I'm gonna try to start it now and we'll see. You can compare it to my other video, or I can compare it to my other video actually. And I didn't do anything on purpose to make it, if it does actually start faster, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, yeah, so that made a huge difference. It made a huge difference. On my other video, I don't know what, it took like, what was it, like 3 minutes or something? Where I would idle like this. So yeah, that definitely cleared out whatever was in there. The bike never had any drivability issues at all. It just had the cold start issue. It wasn't really an issue.